Hey guys, hope all is well. Coach 𝐸𝐸 here. Thanks for tuning in to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to promote multiple streams of income. If you have been wondering exactly how to do that, you're going to want to stay tuned for that. So let's jump right over into one of my commission structures and let me show you what I do, what multiple streams I promote, and I'm going to talk to you how you can promote your multiple streams of income. And that's really what it's about. Right now is the time to have multiple streams. You know, when one stream isn't doing so well, another one might be popping, right? So it's really about having multiple streams for really economic security. So let's talk about that. Let's head right over there. Okay, so right now we are over in one of my favorite instant pay programs. And it allows me to earn 125, 250, 500, and $1,000 commissions. This program has been paying me out for over 2 years. I just want to show you, why you want to, it's an instant payout program, why you want to have multiple streams. So we're just going to scroll for a second. I'm going to move myself over here. So right here, we're just scrolling and we can see the amount of instant commissions that have come in over and over and over and over again. And I myself have made over $23,000 with this program. So that's one instant commission program. Okay, guys, now I am in my other income stream, which is my residual stream. And guys, here's the thing. One of my first goals was to build this stream to $500 residual a month. I'm not there yet, for full disclosure. I'm about halfway there. And I'm not that far off. And here's the thing. I haven't been doing any paid advertising with this stream. I'm going to talk about in a second why this is a smart stream to build with whatever you're building. I just make a YouTube video showing people how I'm doing, how I'm using the stream in my own business and how they can use it in their business, and telling people where to go to get it. So the other day I cashed out 200 last week. And then today I'm going to go ahead and cash out another 75. So I'm going to go ahead and request a withdrawal. I'm going to go ahead and ask for the full 75. And this is wonderful. This pays out every Friday. Okay. So I can go out and cash out what's left in there. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And boom, I will get that money on my card. Okay. So let's talk about, in a second, let's talk about, how to make these multiple streams work for yourself and what you should be looking for. Okay, so now that I've showed you proof that, I've been able to generate multiple streams, and those are just two of my streams, I want to talk about how to actually make this work. So what you want to do, ideally, is you want to pick an offer, and ideally your offer should be complementary. So the first stream that I showed you is an instant payout stream. It allows me to earn instant commissions, of 125, 250, 500, $1,000. Okay. I love instant payout programs. Now, the other stream that I promote, which is a residual stream, and I promote it pretty passively, right? I just make simple YouTube videos showing people how I'm using it and how they could do the same. That system is called the Conversion Pros, which is a marketing system, page builder system, which also is an autoresponder. Okay, those two things complement each other. Why is that? Because most people that promote anything, whether it be what I promote as an instant pay program, whether they are a standalone business or they are online business, they need a marketing system to collect leads. They need an autoresponder and they need a system. And the great thing about the Conversion Pros is that it allows people who build the system or use it to build their business, their online business, to be able to earn commissions by referring other people. So these are two complementary systems, and they're so simple to promote. Now, you want to pick a platform on which you want to share your multiple offers. So my two favorite platforms are YouTube and actually email, right? So literally just talking on YouTube about my offers and sending people to my system, my capture page system, and getting them on my email list and letting my autoresponder behind the scenes do the work of sharing with them more information about my offer. Okay. The great thing about the Conversion Pros is it has share codes already set up so that regardless of what offer you're promoting, if you don't know how to put together some pre-done emails to share a little bit more information about your offers, the Conversion Pros has some pre-done share codes already done for you that can do that. Then what you want to do is kind of rotate your offers. So for example, if you were promoting on YouTube your offers, what you would want to do is like maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, talk about one offer. Maybe Tuesday, Thursday, talk about another offer. Okay. That's what you would want to do, is rotate those offers. And you would do the same thing on your email list, you know, share maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, one offer, and then Tuesday, Thursday, you share another offer. Okay. So rotate, because here's the thing, people have different needs, right? Some people might be looking for an opportunity. Then they're most likely going to go towards my instant payout opportunity. Other people need business tools. So guess what? They're going to go most likely to my business tools offer. So rotate those offers that go. And you know what? Pick offers that make sense to you and that are in demand. Okay? Instant payout programs are always in demand. Residual programs, for example, the conversion pros, tools to help people build, especially in this economy, people need tools to build their business, all right? And to learn how to market better. All right. The next thing is to understand who your offer is for. With my instant payout program, I know that my offer is for anybody who wants instant payout programs, who don't want to wait to a payday. They don't want to necessarily build MLMs and downlines and things like that. I know that that's who my offer is for. For the conversion pros, I know that my offer is for anybody that owns a business, whether they're online or offline, right? So before you can even promote multiple streams, you have to have clarity on who your offer is for. And the next thing is, when you're promoting your offer, and this is how you promote multiple streams, is, especially if you're doing video marketing, YouTube marketing, things like that, show results and value, okay? So it doesn't have to be your own results, but show what was happening for people using the tool, the product, the service opportunity. Show those results. Show people, give people some value, i.e. some trainings on how to get results with the product, service, opportunity. Okay. So these are things that you can do to be able to promote multiple opportunities. I really hope that this was of value to you. Comment below if that makes sense. Let me know. Drop an emoji. Say something. Share it with anybody who needs it. And subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. I will see you in the next video, my friend. Bye, guys.